Okay, let's use the FreeSync tool to see the circuit that we got so far for this step. I just want to remind you that you can download the original circuit files from this chapter, so you can play with that yourself. Open the FreeSync, open the template file and play with that. Now, looking on this simple circuit, so we have the Arduino over here, the breadboard with all kind of external component. The external component that we would like to use are 6 LED and 2 push button and some resistor. We learned that the resistor that is connected in series to the LED is being used to limit the current, and you can see also the value of that resistor. And of course the other side, it's being connected to a specific pin number. So in total I have 6 wires connected to the 6 LED. We also learned that the one side is the cathode and the other side is the anode. The cathode, meaning the short side, is connected to the ground, and remember, this all horizontal line this is our ground. Coming from the Arduino, you see G and D over here supplying us ground and supply us also 5-volt power. Now in addition, we have the 2 push button, this one and the other one. The push button is connected using a pull down resistor. This is a pull down resistor. If I will click on that, you can see the value of that resistance, 10k ohm. Now the idea is that I'm connecting the resistor to the ground, okay, over here, and then connected that to one side of the push button and the other side to the 5-volt power. In the middle, I'm connecting, that's the yellow wire, and this is the input pin I would like to measure. Okay, at the end it's connected to some pin in the Arduino that will set up as an input. And I mean, it's symmetrical, so I have a pull down resistor also for this push button. That's all, very simple.